Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. How to make a house plan, ground floor plan, first floor, and here gate, boundary wall elevation and its front elevation. So today in this short video lecture, I will clear you how to make house planning in the dimensions of 30 by 75 feet. So this is the topic for today. If you need house planning, structure design, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. If you are anywhere, you will get a best house planning from my side, but on paid services, not for free. Sizes 30 by 75 feet. Okay, this is 30 feet. Guys, here, this is the main entrance, main gate, which width is 13 feet. Right? Here, guys, we have on the ground floor, we have one bedroom, kitchen, dining room, drawing room, TV lounge, laundry, etc. Okay, but here, guys, we have open gallery. You can see the back side we have a lawn which is 10 feet. This is 10 feet back side lawn, and this is 5 feet. Its width is 5 feet, and here, guys, the front is also 10 feet. Right? So when you enter by this main gate, so this is the driveway, and here the first one we have car porch. Size of this car porch is 11 feet 3 inch by 14 feet and 7.5 inches. Right? Here, guys, you can see this is the main entrance for this lounge, which size is 12 feet 9 inch by 21 feet 1.5 inch, and this is its window. Here, guys, we have the first one. This is drawing room. Size of this drawing room is 12 feet 1.5 inch by 15 feet, and this is the window for this drawing room. Here, guys, you can see this is its bath. Size is 4 by 5 feet for this drawing room. And here next, you can see from this TV lounge you can enter to this dining room, and also from this drawing room you can use this dining hall, which width is 10 feet and its length is 12 feet 4.5 inches. Right? Next, guys, for the first floor, you can see this is the stair hall, which size is 7 by 12 feet. Width is 7 feet and its length is 12 feet, and this is up for, this is circular stair, okay, semicircular. Here, guys, you can see we have the kitchen. Size of this kitchen is 9 feet 1.5 inch by 10 feet 7.5 inch, and this is the corner window for this kitchen, and this is the outdoor for this side space. Also, you can go through this door to this lawn. Okay, next, guys, from this side you can use, this is laundry, and size of this laundry is 5 by 5 feet, and here, guys, you can see also you can use this as a shelf or as a wardrobe. You can also use in this kitchen. Next, we have the first bedroom. Here, this one, size of this bedroom is 14 feet by 18 feet, and here this is the window. And next, you can see this is attached bath. Size is 6 feet 4.5 inch by 7 feet, and you can see this is the shower place. Here, basin, you can see WC, and this is its window about 3 feet. So, guys, this is ground floor plan. Now let me discuss its first floor. What's new here in first floor? But here, guys, we have the circular stairs for servant room. Also, we have circular stairs to the first floor. Okay, sorry, not here. Here we have at this point. Okay, next, you can see, guys, this is first floor plan. In the first floor plan, you can see here when you, this is down to the ground floor, because this is first floor. Here, the first one, you can see this is a TV lounge. Size is 11 feet by 13 feet 9 inches, and this is corner window, and this is terrace. Okay, next, this is low roof, and here we have the first bedroom, because we have here two bedrooms. One is a servant bed, but this one is small. Okay, So here this is a store which size is 11 feet 9 inch by 5 feet. This is the bedroom. On the first floor, size is 11 feet 9 inch by 14 feet 9 inch, right? Next you can see this is address plus bath, size is 6 by 6 feet. This is the window. This is the window also, and this is its front side ventilation for this bath. Next you can see, guys, this is the second bedroom. Size is 11 feet by 18 feet, and this is its window. Okay. Next you can see this is its bath. Size is 11 feet 9 inch by 6 feet. This is the window. Here, guys, this is the servant room, you can say. As I told you, here we have circular stairs at this point. Okay, so guys, this is the first one is a terrace small, and this is the servant room, which is 7 by 6 feet 9 feet 3 inches. This is a toilet, which is 3 feet 10.5 inch by 4 feet. You can see, guys, this is its first floor plan. Let me discuss now its front elevation. Now, guys, you can see this is a gate boundary wall elevation. This is main gate, which I have discussed from the ground floor plan. You can see, guys, this is a driveway. This is because I did this in Portland, and this is landscape. So therefore, if I did this in landscape, so it will its scale will be better than this one. Okay, so here, guys, you can see this is main gate entrance, and here this is the front wall design. You can see in the elevation. Now, how is its front? So the front, you can see here, this one, this is the main entrance elevation. Okay, and here for this drawing room, you can see this is its window. From top, from the first floor, you can see this is the other window for the first floor, which is here, this one, because this is corner, so you can see clearly. So, guys, this is the design of front elevation. You can see its front elevation design for this ground floor plan plus first floor. You can see, guys, this is its elevation, and this is gate boundary wall. So if you make a screenshot, if you need to make a screenshot from this, so now you are able to make a screenshot from this one. Let me focus. Now make a screenshot from the first floor, which is this one. So make screenshot, and this is its elevation. You can make a screenshot from its elevation and also from the boundary wall. I hope, guys, this video can help you how to make house planning in 30 by 75 feet ground floor, first floor, gate, boundary wall elevation and front elevation. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.